Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a tutorial today to show you how to get the Crimson Mutation in Fish. This is a simple method using a working code for Fish that you can apply right now. And it's going to get you all rods, and that does include the Scarlet Spincaster rod, guys. And this is going to allow you to have a chance of getting the Crimson Mutation. So I'm going to run through the steps and show you not only how to get the Scarlet Spincaster rod, but you can also get all rods, and that does allow you, of course, to get the Crimson Mutation. So as you can see here, guys, I'm using my mobile phone. So just open up the internet browser on your mobile phone and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So you just got to type it like this, guys, cold coupons. As you can see there, it's going to bring you to this website, and they have loads of sort of game codes on here. They have loads of different Roblox games as well. So go to the search bar and you just need to type in fish, and you're looking for this code page here, guys. Now, there are a few different verified working codes, and you can see they're really popular as well. So scroll down, and this is the code, guys. This is a fish code that's going to unlock all rods. So this is going to get you the Scarlet Spincaster rod, allowing you to, of course, get the Crimson Mutation in Fish. So as you can see, I'm just going through these steps here. Now, you need to unlock your code, guys. So these are limited codes. So this process basically stops people from taking all of the codes. So what you're going to want to do is unlock your personal fish code. And this takes a few minutes. You just got to click on this button here and follow the instructions on this page here. It says complete 2 of the 3 tasks below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions for each one. So as you can see here, guys, they're all completely free, and you just got to complete a couple of tasks that you see on this screen. They're really simple things like installing mobile applications, answering questions in surveys. You can just choose any 2 of them, making sure you do follow the instructions for the 2 tasks that you decide to pick. So yeah, just complete 2 of them, and I'm just going to skip forward. But if you do that, your code will be revealed in this box. It will be fully unlocked. You can redeem it in Fish Roblox, and that is going to unlock all rods. And basically, guys, that is how to get the Crimson Mutation in Fish, and that does include using the Scarlet Spincaster rods. So head on over to Cold Coupons, guys. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.